family. How is everyone doing? Hope you guys had a very, very nice Christmas. Okay, it's back down to business. I had a great Christmas. The food was amazing. And please forgive me for not showing the crab cakes. Didn't use my time wisely, and I was literally running out of time to get the food on the table. But anyway, I'm going to give you two recipes this week. One is for your cocktail, and the other one is for a main course, which is going to be so awesome. And I will post that on Wednesday, so you all can have it for Thursday and New Year's Day in case you want to make it. But let's get started by me saying thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks to all of my ride and die subscribers. Mrs. O, really appreciate it. All right, today we're going to do a nice, sweet frozen cocktail, which is pretty popular. And I had at this restaurant last week, and let me tell you, wow, it had me lit, honestly. All right, let's get started. Here I have, as you can see, frozen peaches. During the summer, I had found some peaches that were so sweet. So what I did, I just cut them up into chunks, froze them, and now I am able to use it. Here I have, you see the peach flavored vodka. We're going to use that. And this is a wine that I got as a gift, which I'm not a sweet wine drinker. So we have to get creative, with the wines that are given to us that we really don't like. But this will go good with the peach Bellini. This is a Moscato+Mango wine, which Moscato is a really sweet wine. Here we have raspberry Coulis. No, this is the second batch that I made because the creme brulees was requested again, which was so freaking awesome. And let me show you the two types of glasses you can use. Tonight I am going to use, let me put it down, this glass here, because it's not real high, and I'm only going to make two. But this would be the perfect glass to entertain for peach Bellini. Can you see that? That would be perfect. So pretty, it's full at the bottom. That would be a perfect glass to entertain for peach Bellinis. All right, this is really simple again. What we're going to do is put the wine, the peaches, and the vodka in the blender and blend it all up. And once we blend it up, we're going to pour it into these glasses. And always remember, I will have the ingredients and instructions in the description box below. All right, let's get rocking. Also, I forgot to tell you, you can use frozen or canned peaches. Just make sure if you use the canned peaches, you drain the juice off and you freeze them first before you use them. Okay, Royal Family, here is the mixture here. It is a nice consistency and the flavor is awesome. So what I am about to do is pour it into this cup here. And I'm going to try to do a peach Bellini with a raspberry swirl. Let's see how well that goes. Let me show you what I am about to attempt. Okay, here is the glass. We're going to pour, let's say halfway. Here, can you see that? Okay. Then we're going to take the raspberry coulis and we're going to go just around the edge like this. Can you see that? And hopefully that will give us our swirl. So you're just going to put it around the perimeter of the glass. Then we're going to add more. Hopefully it won't mess it up. You see that? Okay, let's do it again. Go around the edge of the glass like this. And just let it drip down. You see that? Okay. Let me go on top so you can see that. All right. Then we're going to finish it off. And always pour in the middle so it won't disturb our swirl. All right, can you see the swirl? Okay, let me finish the other one. Then when I come back, I'll show you the final presentation. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished presentation of the Peach Bellini with the raspberry swirl. And can you see the swirl on that? This is so delicious and festive. Now, if you would like, you can leave the alcohol out and maybe get a can of peach nectar and use it in place of the alcohol, but I think this is pretty well balanced and it won't get you stoned. It has a nice flavor, and the peach, since it was fresh, it's so intense. But you guys really have to try this. It is so delicious. Please share and subscribe. Please make sure that your bell notification is on. And I will say, this is one of your Happy New Year drink. So I will be back on Wednesday and give you that bomb recipe. But anyway, you guys, so sorry for the late post, but please try this. You will definitely enjoy it. God bless you until I see you again.